Your name again, just for the record. I have your card. But...
Yeah, I'm Tish O'Dell. I'm the president of the Ohio Community Rights Network, and I'm also the Ohio organizer for the Community Environmental Legal Defense Fund.
Okay.
And I'm a resident of Ohio and live in Broadview Heights.
Okay. Why are you folks out here? What's your message you're trying to get to the secretary who's inside right now?
The message is because he is keeping 3 county charters by people's initiative off the ballot. He thinks he has the right to make that decision, and we're saying it's a violation of our constitutional rights. The people, if you read the Constitution, Article 1, Section 2 says all power is inherent in the people and that we have the right to alter, reform, or abolish any form of government when we deem it necessary. Well, that's what this is all about. They collected all the signatures that they needed. They had enough signatures. The form of the petition was correct. Everything was correct. And he is going against, he thinks he can make this decision to keep them off the ballot. And you have to think about the long-term implications of this decision's allowed to stand. That means that anything, I mean, forget fracking. This isn't just about fracking or injection wells. Anything down the road, the precedent that sets is one person can make the decision to keep things off the ballot. Well, how are the people supposed to alter or reform their government if one person in that government can keep things off the ballot?
What about his argument that the Supreme Court has already decided this?
They have not decided this at all.
The issue of local control, I mean the control over fracking or injection wells rests with the Department of Natural Resources.
No, that is not. This is about our rights. This is the people's rights. The Supreme Court has not dealt with that at all. All they've dealt with is zoning and regulations of oil and gas. This isn't about zoning and regulations. This is about the people's right to propose a county government that they want in their county. And he feels he has the right to keep that off the ballot. We don't. The way it should work, I mean, I don't know, I don't have a crystal ball, don't know what the future would hold, but it should work. It goes on the ballot. People may pass it in those counties, they may not. And if they do pass it and someone wants to challenge it, that's the way it's supposed to work. And then it goes to the courts, each side makes their arguments, and it's decided by the courts. He's taking away the power from the courts even. He thinks he can just make a clean sweep, decide what's legal, what's not legal. He's not even a lawyer. I mean,
is there time to challenge this and get it on the ballot yet this year to overturn his decision?
Well, we're hoping for that.
I mean, is there time to do that?
That's what we're hoping. I mean, I don't, like I said, I wish I had a crystal ball and I could look into it and give you an answer, but that's the hope. I mean, you know, and I really think it's crummy that they're doing all this, and I wouldn't be surprised if that's part of the strategy, isn't it? And at the last minute, oh, maybe we'll put it on the ballot, but there won't be. There'll be 2 days left to campaign. Yeah, well, that's a little shady too, isn't it?